Let's bring in Rupesh Parikh. He's managing director at Oppenheimer and has an outperform rating and a $360 price target on Ulta. So you think consumers are going to go back to putting their face on, as the saying goes, or at least that's what my mother used to call doing it.
Yes, you look at Ulta last year, and cosmetics is half their business. We saw makeup or cosmetic sales down more than 30% last year. And as we look at recent trends, we think with the reopening trade, not having to wear masks, categories such as lipstick, foundations, blush, all those things will really start taking off.
What is their edge? What is Ulta's edge in this market that makes them a good bet, high margin, a better bet, for example, than any of dozens of other places where people can buy cosmetics?
Yeah, so Ulta's secret sauce is really that they sell both mass and prestige products under the same roof. So you can buy your drugstore, your cheaper cosmetic products, and at the same time, you can buy the more premium brands such as Estee Lauder, Kiehl's, et cetera, within their stores. So consumers may go in to buy the mass products, and then they may trade up to the prestige products. So as we look at Ulta, it's really a one-stop shop for women to buy all their cosmetic products.
Go ahead, Kel.
Rupesh, I'm looking at the stock performance, and it's only up 14% year to date. Why is that?
Yeah, so if you look at Ulta shares, if you go back to when some of the positive vaccine news came out in late October, it's really had a massive rally since then. So the stock got bid up as we started to see, all the positive development for Moderna and Pfizer. So I think it ran ahead of really the strong trends that we're seeing right now. And this year, what we've seen with really all of our beauty names, whether it's Estee Lauder, Elf, Ulta, is because you have strong gains late last year. This year, the gains have been more muted for really the entire space.
What about its valuation? It's selling at a slightly higher price than historically it has. Could that be one of the reasons why the stock isn't performing? Because people think, well, maybe it's a little overvalued.
Yeah, so I think valuation is starting to become a little more challenging. You look at Ulta, it trades at 31 times earnings, well above historical averages. And we're seeing the same thing for other beauty names. So I think there's a lot of investor enthusiasm out there for this reopening plays. And I think, I do think to a certain degree that there's high expectations. And as a result, you've seen some profit taking into the print in recent weeks. And I think that's still the big wild card today. I mean, all of us expect a very strong delivery. It's just a question of will it be enough to meet some of the really elevated expectations out there.
What about, well, let me just posit this as a thought. I tend to judge stores by whether they hang on, and you never seem to see an Ulta store close. Gap stores, you see them close, and there are a whole host of others. Macy's stores, you see, but Ulta, you never see them close, and that's a good sign. And you walk by them, and there are people in there, just like there are at the Apple store. What about do they have an online side as well, and how does that do?
Yeah, so online is really strong for Ulta. So last year, per our estimates, it was more than 30% of business. We think this year online could be a low to mid-20s% penetration. Mm-hmm. And I think the secret sauce with Ulta, again, is, you go into stores, very experiential. You have, the salon in the back of the store. Mm-hmm. You have makeup bar with MAC in some of the locations. You have skin bars. So they really have a great experience. And, we spend a lot of time in stores. And, especially at grand openings, you'll see lines of women standing outside to get in. When they have some hot product launches like Kylie Cosmetics a few years ago, a number of consumers would be waiting in line. So I think that's the other secret sauce the model is. Yep. This management team is very innovative, and they find a way to get you into the stores. All right,
there you see them up a little bit today. Rupesh, thank you very much. Rupesh Parikh, we appreciate it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.